Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So before we start with this recipe, I want to wish you a 2023 filled with lots of happiness, health, and love. To start this new year with the right food, I'm going to show you how to make a detox green juice. It's great to help you detox your body from all the food and drinks from the holidays, so I hope you like it. It will reduce your appetite, it will hydrate your body with all the nutrients it needs, and it will improve the look on your skin. And it will detox your body from all the bad fats and liquids retained. So I hope you like it. We need 1 lime, 1 celery rib, 1 cactus, and 1 cup of pineapple. So we're going to put all the ingredients in the juice extractor, and the order in which you use them does not affect the results, so you can use whichever ingredient you want first. And once you're done, then you can drink it. And you can drink it early in the morning before you drink anything else, or you can drink it late at night as a healthy snack. I hope you like this video, and from now on I'm going to be bringing you a healthy drink every Monday to help you stay on track with your diet. And then every Thursday I will also bring you a new recipe, so stay tuned. And I'm also really excited because I'm also planning on talking and sharing with you my tips and recipes to help you start your own business on cake making. I'm really excited because I'm about to start my 3rd certification program on cake design. So I'm really excited to share some tips with you about the things I have learned and the things I'm going to learn in this program. And I'm also excited about telling you on how I started my business in cake making. I'm doing great with that. My business is growing slowly, so I'm really excited to share all that with you. So stay tuned for healthy drinks on Mondays, then a new recipe on Thursdays, and then I will also be talking about my business in cake making. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.